number one mistake that Americans make when it comes to your skin is that they're over-cleansing their skin. So in week 3, I tell my patients and I tell my readers, you want to gather up those products and instruments that are literally rubbing and scrubbing away your good bugs and throw them in the trash. So both of my girls threw away your loofahs.
Threw them in the trash.
During like all 3.
I think these are nasty to begin with. If you're saving your old dead skin every day, you ain't getting clean.
All the more
There's
reason
nothing
to
clean
get rid
about
of them.
You're just rubbing it all around and then saving it up for later. No, gross.
There you go. I love it.
Well, I always thought these were the nastiest
They
things.
are.
My
Thank you
mother
for
would keep
saying
it on
that.
the side of the bathtub for
And
like
they're
years.
damp and they're growing fungus and all the bad bugs that you don't want, right?
Heebie-jeebies. Nope.
Yes. Now, Michelle has very graciously volunteered.
Now,
to
I do say that I never, ever, ever go to bed with dirty skin.
So,
I always wash my face.
I love that you said that, and that's something that people always ask me. Like, it's like, ooh, beauty of dirty skin. Does that mean I get to go to sleep with my makeup on?
No.
No.
Not ever.
No.
Not ever.
You never want to do that. You have all this pollution, all this grime that's sitting on the surface of your skin, and that's creating all those free radicals all night long. So please, you don't have to rub and scrub your skin raw, but you do want to take off your makeup at night.
Of course.
Excellent point. Thank you for bringing that up.
And moisturize and wear your sunscreen.
I love it. She knows the take home.
Yes,
right?
every day.
Right sunscreen, right?
Every day.
So
Every single day.
every single day, even if it's cloudy.
Yes.
Doesn't make any difference.
Yes. Nope. Why am I here?
I'm her biggest student. I listen, Whit.
I love it. You're hired. All right.
Whitney and I have been doing this for years.
All right, so Michelle, get
Yes.
in there. So she's going to demonstrate. Now, most of the time, this is how you want to cleanse. You want to just get your skin nice and damp with warm water, warm, not hot. And then you want to take a couple of pumps of a gentle cleanser, and you want to massage it into the skin using circular motions. Now, yes, it's true, once or twice a week, you're allowed to exfoliate. So you can use a gentle scrub, or you can use a gentle brush, or a baby washcloth. But the vast majority of the time, the fingertips are enough. And the cleanser should say words like gentle, hydrating.
What about the astringents that exfoliate?
Toners
like kind of burn
should
it
not
off?
have alcohol in them. Stay away from anything that leaves the skin feeling tight, dry, squeaky clean. That's killing off your good bugs.
Gotcha.
So when you're done with this, you can rinse again with the warm water, and then you can pat dry. You want to pat, not rub, with a
I have
clean
another question.
towel. Yeah.
Is cold water okay too? Because in the morning, I kind of, I'm pushing 50 hard.
So
It's like ice cold.
When it
just
comes to
to
your
kind
bugs,
of wake me up.
any water is fine except for hot water when it comes
Not
to your
hot
bugs.
water, but
so
cold
not hot.
is fine.
Cold is fine. It's just most people don't want. So you're the exception. A lot of people don't want
I
cold
love it.
water.
I'm like, wake up,
So I give them So now wait. Within 5 minutes of doing that, you want to add the moisturizer, and that's the part that you brought up.
Yep.
Moisturizing is when you think about cleansing. Part of that is the moisturizing.
It's one thing.
It's literally within 5 minutes because you're trapping that moisture in, and your good bugs will thank you. They need that hydration.
And these guys are young. Like, my mom bought us our first moisturizers when we were in high school. Like,
And you guys used to use olive oil too, right? in
my
your
mom
house?
used olive oil on her hair and, quite frankly, her feet. Sorry, but
Smart.
warm olive oil she'd rub into her foot after a long foot bath, and
love
she'd put a little
coconut
warm
olive
oil on
as
her
a
hair.
body moisturizer.
But
It's awesome.
you can't be too young to moisturize, right?
No. It's never too early to start. Sunblock and moisturizing.
Sunblock.
Yes.
So,